Oh, this is the one. This is the photo that I sent you of the trees. And when you look up, it looks so bit tall.
I wonder how they got these trees.
I think they
Maybe
just
they-
grew them.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think they rooted them.
Really?
They placed them there. I don't think they're not native.
Yeah, but can't they just plant them?
Yeah, but these trees are like
600
so
years.
old.
Really? Yeah, but how old you have?
Let me see the.
No, you have to count the rings. That's how you know. Sorry.
You're right.
You gotta chop it down first and then count it. Babe, look up. Oh, the one that I sent you, like the Airbnb, you could see all the stars at night.
Oh, because
Like, it's really a lot of stars,
that's cool.
supposedly. Like, I want to do that to see all the big
Okay.
stars. It's
I
close
don't
to
have any.
it's close to San Bernardino.
Oh, I don't have any. Well, I do have days off.
Isn't the one you requested a couple days?
I was only able to do it after my probationary period.
Sorry. Oh, I'm dizzy.
I was only able to get days off after my probationary period.
Isn't it?
So
Didn't you
after-
tell me already? Like the dates?
After June, after May, it's my probationary.
Babe, act natural. Just joking. I'm just messing with. Oh, I wonder what that is. Rabbit's foot fern. Makes you feel like you're in Alice in Wonderland.
Tennis court.
There's a what?
Tennis court.
Oh. Why?
Is it someone's house?
Hmm.
Yeah, I think it's someone's house.
Oh, well.
It's probably like the most expensive house. Ever.
Yeah.
So it's right next to this park.
I know. I wish I could have like a just, lie down and look up there.
Or those mirrors that they hand out at that bestseller show.
Oh yeah, I need that. I could have got that. Oh, technically I can do it on